Hey guys! Welcome sa ating channel. Taod-taod yun ko wala ka vlog. Kanang murag daghan yun kaayo ko ganap sa life, no? Para sa Happy Chinese New Year, we will make a vlog. This is an honest review that I used for 1 month na. And this has been circulating online, especially sa Facebook, where I found this trending serum specially formulated for pitted scars. Marami po tayong pitted scars, mga bakas ng kahapon. And just continue watching this video and I will share how to use this serum and my honest review for 1 month of use. And we are back to our regular programming and I want to share to you guys ang serum na aking ginamit for 1 month because of the trend sa Facebook. Parati ko po siya nababrowse, scroll ko siya everyday. So ito nga, napabili tayo ng Emo Renew Serum Pitted Scar Treatment. What is my review for this? Ano ba ang nangyari sa skin ko while I use this one? Nag-improve ba yung pitted scar ko? Or naglalaba ang aking pitted scar? O wala bang improvement at all? So this is the packaging. Very simple packaging. Hindi mo nga makikita sa outside box niya kung saan ito na manufacture. Basta Dermalab yung nag-produce nito. And it is 30 ml. So, ang makikita lang dito sa outside packaging is ang ingredients niya, directions for use, storage instructions, and the manufacturing date and the expiry. 3 years po ang kanyang expiration after using it. We will open the box. The same po talaga sila sa packaging ng mismong container niya. Wala po siyang address kung saan ito na manufacture, only Dermalab. It's the same po kung ano ang nasa box. Ito po din ang nakalagay sa kanyang bottle. The ingredients of this one is onion extract, glucosamine, coenzyme Q10, vitamin A, vitamin C, amica flower extract, and emo oil. Directions for use: clean the affected area, apply a thin layer gently, use 2 to 3 times daily, apply to the surrounding areas to prevent the spread of symptoms. Backstory muna tayo. Actually, hindi po talaga ako mapimple na tao, no? Like, nagsimula talaga when I was teenager. Nag-start po ang aking pimple when I was nearing to 3rd year college until employee na po ako, like, till 25 years old. Kaya po, yung pitted scars ko ay hindi na talaga natanggal. I am on my adult age na nag-start yung pimples ko. Parang may natural blush on ako dati when I was in college. Honestly, hindi po talaga ako confident before. Like, wala pa akong ganito na confidence na I can speak in front. Meron po kaming klase na mag-reporting. Hate ko po yun talaga kasi I don't want to be on the spotlight because of the insecurities I have. I also have insecurities sa aking teeth. Kaya nagpa-braces po ako ngayon kahit matanda na si ate. Kasi gusto ko pong maayos lahat yung mga insecurities ko sa mukha ko, no? To increase my confidence. Parati po akong pumupunta sa mga dermatologist. Because of my insecurity, I agreed on the dermatologist to prick my pimples. Kasi yung mga dami siyang pus, yung talagang visible siya na lumolobo yung pimple. Parati po akong nagpa-diamond peel when I was already working. So I have my money already to improve my skin. That was one of the biggest mistake I made when I was young because of too much insecurity. But anyway, so nakita ko po tong product na to sa feed ko. Flight attendant, success story ba? Talagang na-achieve nila yung fair skin without any intervention of science, like wala pong mga needles. Nagpabelo ba sila? Hindi. Ito lang daw talaga yung ginamit nila. Not bad because hindi naman siya kamahalan masyado at hindi naman pangbelo yung presyo niya that I cannot afford, no? So, why not? I tried it. Hindi po 2 to 3 times ko siyang ginamit kasi wala na po akong extra time in the morning. And I always use this in the evening. After I wash my face, clean my face, po yung time na ginamit ko siya without any other skincare para po sulit ang aking review sa inyo. So, Yun, na-notice ko on the 3rd week. Lift niya yung skin mo na may mga hollow part yung skin ko. Nalighten niya, then smooth ang skin. Based sa Facebook, nakita gid daw nila ang improvement nga dako after 3 months of use. So siguro no, if consistent kang gumagamit nito, like long term of use, meron ng mas malaking improvements sa skin ko. Hindi naman po ako nagka-pimples, hindi naman po lumala yung condition ko sa face after trying this one for a month of use. And one more thing, nagbibigay po siya ng pinkish, no? Namumula-mula po ang aking skin. It's not that costly at all. Super mura lang po. Meron po itong official page sa Shopee, Derma Lab official shop po sa Shopee. And this one costs only, you will be amazed, super mura talaga. This one costs only 311 pesos. The main ingredient of this product is the Emo oil. At ito po ang name niya, Emo Renew Serum. So I searched over Google, what is Emo oil? So it says here, Emo oil is a natural oil derived from the fat of the Australian emu bird, commonly used as a topical moisturizer, anti-inflammatory, and carrier oil for skin, hair, and joint pain. Rich in fatty acids like oleic acid, it penetrates skin deeply to reduce inflammation, soothe burns, heal wounds, and hydrate. So that was the reason na na-notice ko na parang nisaka ba, ni ulbo ang akong skin gamay. Like, murag na flatten siya gamay. Dili siya ana ka lalum bitaw. So, the skin elevated a little. Not that deep na before na nalum yun siya. So, murag ni ulbo siya. So, mao di ay because of the Emo oil. Anti-inflammatory. So, dili yun siya makapimple. Kaya anti-inflammatory siya. Mag-hydrate skin, smoothen skin, and best for healing the wounds. So that is why the reason na maganda siya. So gwapo gid ay siya, no? I won't say na hindi siya that effective kasi 1 month pa lang akong gumamit. Tanaw na to, no, kung 1 year, no, kung taas-taas gyud nga paggamit, basin taas-taas pud og ang changes sa ako ang skin. It doesn't cost much. And I hope to see more, and I hope no this coming 2026 marami po akong mag-video na magagawa. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to see you more again sa aking mga succeeding videos na gagawin pa. At na-miss ko ang aking outro. Do good and good will come to you. May all our dreams come true. Gracias! Kong Hei Fat Choy!